This is a disassembled demonstration for Pelonis Air Circulator Model FB50-17H. For this demonstration, I'll be using a Caddie to hold the parts, a pair of black rubber gloves, a microfiber cloth, a ratchet screwdriver with a Starhead tip, a pick, a plastic lever, a small pair of pliers, a black permanent marker, 3 regular size bungee cords, and 1 small bungee cord. Step 1. Unplug the fan from any outlet and bind the cord with the small bungee cord, ensuring that it's not plugged in. Step 2. Secure the fan to the table with the 3 bungee cords. Step 3. Wipe the fan joint with the microfiber cloth. This is a picture of one of the fan joint covers. Circled in blue is a picture of the joint hole that you would need to insert a pick into for step 4. Be careful not to break the tab circled in blue when removing the fan joint cover. Step 4. Remove the fan joint cover with the pick and plastic lever. Insert the pick into the joint hole to pry it loose, and then use the plastic lever to finish removal. If this is the first time removing, this may be on pretty tight, so take your time. These are pictures of the joint screw, joint plug, and joint socket, which are located under the joint cover and need to be removed in step 5. As a suggestion, you may want to use the black marker to place an upwards arrow on the joint socket to make reassembly a bit easier. Step 5. Remove the joint screw, joint plug, and joint socket with the ratchet screwdriver and small pliers. These are pictures of the support bolt and support spring that will need to be removed in step 6. They are responsible for holding the fan in a tilt position, and they can fall out very easily if they're not removed before cleaning or servicing the fan. Step 6. Remove the support bolt and support spring with the small pliers. Step 7. Repeat steps 3 through 6 on the opposite side of the fan. Step 8. Separate the fan from the base. Final step 9. Separate the front guard and the rear guard by twisting them apart. If you found this demonstration to be useful or helpful, please show support and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.